Hello, welcome, it's Al. It is Tuesday, June 23rd, 2020. Thank you for watching today's video. I'm going to do today's oracle card for you. So let's see what today's oracle is going to tell us. And today's oracle card is birds. Good chatter all around you, I hope. This is a card about tweeting, bird chatter, all kinds of stuff like that. Communication is going to be a big deal today. This card makes me say, mind what you're saying and take everything you're hearing with a little grain of salt because not everything might be 100% true. I also want to go out on a limb and say, mind your social media posts. And I'm saying social media posts. Normally this makes me feel like Twitter, because they're all birds that tweet. So I'm gonna fan that out to all social media today. Pay attention to keeping yourself out of any negative loops. Look, everybody here looks like they're in a happy-go-lucky mood. All the birds are happy. I'm waving at you. So keep communication on a high note. Keep communication straightforward and good. Okay? And again, mind everything you're hearing on social media and take it with a grain of salt. Happy Tuesday, guys. Bye!